Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart, making money passively. And not just any kind of passive income, but the kind that practically prints itself while you sleep, thanks to the power of AI. You know, everyone's talking about AI these days, and for good reason. It's completely revolutionizing how we live and work, and it presents some incredible opportunities to build wealth, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. We're talking about building a sustainable, scalable income stream that requires minimal effort on your part. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down a simple, 4-step guide to unlock effortless AI passive income. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, so the first step on our journey to AI-powered passive income is understanding the tools and platforms at our disposal. This is crucial because the right tools can make all the difference in the world. They can transform a daunting task into a manageable one and turn your vision into reality. Think of it like this. If you want to build a house, you need the right tools, right? You wouldn't just grab any random tool and hope it works. You need specific tools for specific tasks. You wouldn't show up with just a hammer and hope for the best. You'd need a saw, a level, a drill, and so on. Each tool has its own purpose and function, and together they help you build something solid and lasting. The same goes for AI. It's not just about having one tool, it's about having a suite of tools that work together seamlessly to achieve your goals. There's a whole world of incredible resources out there, each with its own strengths and specialties. From finance to content creation, the possibilities are endless. First up, we have AI writing tools. These are game changers for anyone looking to create content quickly and efficiently. These bad boys are like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call 24/7. Imagine the time and effort you can save. They can crank out blog posts, social media captions, even entire ebooks faster than you can say passive income, and they do it with a level of quality that's hard to match. And the best part, the quality is top-notch. We're talking about content that not only reads well, but also engages your audience. We're talking engaging, SEO-optimized content that attracts readers and keeps them hooked. This is crucial for driving traffic and increasing your online presence. Then there are AI-powered marketing automation platforms. These tools can revolutionize the way you approach marketing. These are your secret weapons for streamlining your marketing efforts and maximizing your reach. They can handle repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on strategy and creativity. We're talking about automating email sequences, personalizing your messaging, and even predicting customer behavior, all with the power of AI. This level of personalization can significantly boost your engagement and conversion rates. And let's not forget about AI-driven investment platforms. These are essential for anyone looking to grow their wealth passively. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and even automate your trades so you can grow your wealth on autopilot. Imagine having a financial advisor that works around the clock, never sleeps, and always has your best interests at heart. And these are just a few examples. The range of AI tools available is staggering, and new innovations are being introduced all the time. The world of AI tools is constantly evolving, with new and innovative platforms popping up all the time. Staying updated with the latest advancements can give you a significant edge. The key is to do your research, experiment with different tools, and find the ones that best align with your goals and interests. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. The right tools can make your journey to AI-powered passive income not only possible, but also enjoyable and rewarding. Now that we've dipped our toes into the world of AI tools, it's time to talk about the real game changer. Realizing the true potential of AI for passive income. This is where things get really exciting. You see, most people think of AI as this complex, futuristic technology that's only accessible to tech geniuses and Silicon Valley billionaires. But the truth is, AI is for everyone. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging the power of technology to create a life of freedom and abundance. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, something that would take us humans days, weeks, or even months to do. It can identify patterns and trends that we might miss entirely, and it can automate tasks with incredible precision and efficiency. Now imagine harnessing that power to build a passive income stream. Imagine having AI create and market your digital products, manage your investments, or even generate leads for your business, all while you're off enjoying your life. That's the power of AI. It's not about replacing human creativity or ingenuity, it's about amplifying it. It's about freeing up your time and energy so you can focus on what truly matters, pursuing your passions, spending time with loved ones, and living life on your own terms. So as you explore the world of AI tools and platforms, keep this potential in mind. Don't just see the technology, see the possibilities, see the opportunity to create a life where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool for empowerment and freedom. AI is already transforming various aspects of our daily lives, from personalized recommendations on streaming services to smart home devices that make our lives more convenient. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment plans, making healthcare more efficient and accessible. In education, AI is providing personalized learning experiences, helping students learn at their own pace and in their own style. Businesses are using AI to optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. Even small businesses can leverage AI to compete with larger companies, leveling the playing field and opening up new opportunities. Content creators are using AI to generate ideas, write articles, and even create music and art, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Financial planners are using AI to analyze market trends, manage portfolios, and provide personalized investment advice. Environmentalists are using AI to monitor ecosystems, predict natural disasters, and develop sustainable solutions. Nonprofits and social enterprises are using AI to address social issues, from poverty alleviation to disaster response. On a personal level, AI can help you set and achieve goals, track your progress, and provide insights to improve your life. It can help you achieve a better work-life balance by automating mundane tasks and freeing up your time for what truly matters. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a significant role in shaping our world. Embracing AI's potential is not just about keeping up with technology, it's about creating a better, more efficient, and more fulfilling life. So, let's embrace AI and all the possibilities it brings, and work together to create a brighter future for ourselves and future generations. Remember, the true potential of AI lies not just in the technology itself, but in how we choose to use it to empower and liberate ourselves. Let's use AI as a tool for good, to enhance our lives, and to create a world where everyone can thrive. After all, the ultimate goal of AI is to amplify human potential and help us achieve things we never thought possible. So, as you continue your journey with AI, keep dreaming big, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future is bright, and with AI by your side, the possibilities are truly endless. Chapter 3. Stay consistent. Alright, so we've covered the tools, we've talked about the potential. Now let's get real for a second. Building a sustainable passive income stream with AI, or any other method for that matter, takes work. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the effort up front and staying consistent over the long haul. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You don't just stack a bunch of bricks on top of each other and hope for the best. It takes a solid foundation, careful planning, and consistent effort to build something that will stand the test of time. The same goes for passive income. You need to approach it with a long-term mindset, be patient, and be willing to put in the work, especially in the beginning. Now I know what you're thinking, but Nana, you said this was effortless, and it can be, but effortless doesn't mean instant. It means that once you've laid the groundwork, once you've set up your systems and automated your processes, the income will flow with minimal effort on your part. But getting to that point requires dedication and consistency. So, how do you stay consistent? First, set realistic goals. Don't expect to go from 0 to 6 figures overnight. Start small, track your progress, and celebrate your wins along the way. Second, create a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's dedicating an hour each day or blocking out a few hours each week, make time for your passive income projects and treat them like a real business. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources available, from online communities to mentors to courses that can provide guidance and support along the way. Remember, consistency is key. It's not just about the big leaps, but the small, steady steps you take every day. Set reminders, keep yourself accountable, and don't let setbacks discourage you. Engage with others who are on the same journey. Share your experiences, learn from theirs, and grow together. Also, take care of your mental health. Consistency doesn't mean burning out. Take breaks when needed and recharge. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Flexibility is part of staying consistent. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. Each step forward is a step closer to your goal. Keep a journal of your journey. Documenting your progress can be incredibly motivating and insightful. Visualize your success. Create a vision board or a digital equivalent to keep your goals in sight. Network with like-minded individuals. Building relationships can open doors to new opportunities and insights. And most importantly, enjoy the process. The journey to building a passive income stream should be fulfilling and rewarding. Stay consistent, stay focused, and remember why you started. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 4. Recap and Encourage. Alright, so let's recap what we've learned today. Building effortless AI passive income is totally achievable. And it all starts with understanding the incredible tools and platforms at your fingertips. From AI writing assistants to marketing automation platforms to investment algorithms, there's a whole world of resources ready to help you automate your income and free up your time. But here's the key. It's not enough to just know about these tools. You have to use them. You have to take action, experiment, and find what works best for you. Remember, the potential of AI is limitless. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a life of freedom, flexibility, and abundance. It's about designing a life where you're in control, where you call the shots, and where money works for you, not the other way around. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, embrace the possibilities, and start building your own effortless passive income stream today. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more AI money-making tips. I'm constantly researching and experimenting with new AI tools and strategies, and I can't wait to share my findings with you. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And be sure to drop a comment below and let me know what AI tools or strategies you're most excited to try out. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.